Okay, so today we're looking at the Playz Dissecting and Gross kit. Includes zombie farts, boogers, and bloody slime. So this was a gift from my son. He loves this gross kind of stuff. And it's science, you know. It's STEM education. It says right here, STEM education. And it tells you what you're going to learn about and all that kind of stuff. And this particular kit is mostly biology. And there's tons of different activities you can do in here. I will warn you that when you get a kit like this, and I apologize for the glare on the box here, when you get a kit like this, you are essentially committing yourself to assisting them. So be warned about that. There are instructions, there are really fine motor skills required to do projects like this. So keep that in mind. You will probably be doing any of the cooking or the mixing or the measuring more so than your child. Now this particular one is for 8+, but my son used it when he was 7. So obviously your mileage may vary. Now inside a kit like this, let me see if there's anything left in here. This one came with goggles, the mixing sticks, the pipettes, food coloring, everything you needed for the setup, okay? One of the things that you will find when you do this kind of stuff is they always say that there are refills available. So make sure you pay attention, because a lot of this is going to be a one-time use. And once it's done, either you're not going to want to do it again or you're going to run out of the ingredients. So keep that in mind when you buy kits like this. Because once the ingredients are gone, or if you mess it up, you no longer have the ingredients for one, maybe 2 or more projects. So like if you were to spill this alginate, you may not have it for the next projects. And in this particular kit, it seemed to piggyback off of other projects that you've done. So this one was a good kit. It was in our case a one-time deal, just because it took so long and a lot of things had to sit out for a couple hours before they hardened up or whatever. But if you're into science, check it out. If I can find a link for this, I will put it in the description below. So definitely consider taking a peek. Even if you don't buy this one, these are good kits, especially the ones from like National Geographic and such. So check it out. If you have any questions about this particular kit, let me know. Feel free to ask anything you want. This was an enjoyable time. And unfortunately, I was trying to cook dinner at the same time as mixing this stuff, and it was a little hectic. So take some time out, do a little science. Your kids will love it, I promise. All right, so if you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe. And as always, on to the next.